Hey there! So imagine this situation. You just upgraded your app from Google Datastore to Google Firestore in Datastore mode, and all of a sudden, your DB queries went from a speedy 200 milliseconds to a sluggish 2 seconds. Big problem, right? You're scratching your head trying to figure out what went wrong. Running it locally with the Datastore emulator works like a charm, but once deployed, it's a whole different story. You've even tried adding code read option.eventual consistency code to your queries, but no luck. Could it be the connection to the DB causing this poor performance? Now, let's talk about the solution. Switching from Tomcat to Undertow in your Spring Boot app did the trick. The memory footprint reduced significantly, staying within the F1 instance limits. And voila, everything's running smoothly again, including those pesky DB calls. In summary, the memory efficiency of the old GAE framework and the memory-hungry nature of Spring Boot with embedded Tomcat were causing the slowdown. By moving to F2 instances and optimizing your setup, you've managed to get your app back on track. Keep tweaking Spring Boot for efficiency, or explore other options in the future. And remember, a smooth-running app is a happy app. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.